Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. This video is about fractions, and the question we are handling today reads: evaluate the expression given below without using tables or calculators. So we have the expression right here. Now before we continue, I want us to note that every time we are instructed in a question to evaluate without using tables or calculators, then we should always consider factorization. That simply helps us simplify the expression and it makes the evaluation easier. And before we do that, I also want us to note that in this expression here we have mixed fractions. It will be easier to use them as improper fractions than when they're in the mixed fraction form. So the first step here is to express the mixed fractions as improper fractions and then proceed on from there. So we'll begin with the numerator. Now for this part here, under the root sign, 16 and 81 over 100 becomes 1681 over 100, and then we have the root sign. Then for the next part we have plus 9 and 121 over 400. So this is 3600 plus 121. That should give us 3721 all over 400. And then that too is under root sign. On the denominator we have 4 and 9 over 10. That becomes 49 over 10. And plus 3 and 11 over 20, that is 71 over 20. At this point, the next thing is now to factorize these values given. Like 1681 can be factorized. 100 can also be factorized as follows. So beginning with 1681, expressing it as product of prime factors, we'll have 41 by 41, and then for 100 we have 10 by 10. All this is under root sign. And then for the next part we add 3721, that is 61 by 61 over 400. 400 is 20 by 20. We have that under root sign. The denominator remains the same, that is 49 over 10 plus 71 over 20. Now on the numerator, 41 by 41, that is 41 squared, and then 10 by 10, that is also 10 squared. So we'll have 41 squared over 10 squared. Finding the square root, that should give us 41 over 10. And then for this part 2, we also have 61 by 61, that is 61 squared. 20 by 20, we'll also have 20 squared, and therefore 61 squared over 20 squared. Finding the square root, that should give us 61 over 20, and therefore we add 61 over 20. On the denominator, we still have 49 over 10 plus 71 over 20. The next step, we are going to reduce these fractions into whole numbers, and that will achieve by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the LCM of these fractions, both on the numerator and denominator. The LCM here is 20. That is considering the denominator for these values up here. That is 10, 20, and here also 10, 20. LCM is 20. So multiplying, we begin with the denominator. We multiply by the LCM, which is 20. And the same factor multiplies the numerator, that is 20. Now, when we multiply, let's begin with the numerator. When we multiply 41 over 10 by 20, that should give us 82. That is 10 goes into 22 times 2 by 41 is 82. And then we add that to 61 over 20 by 20, that is 61. And then on the denominator, we have 49 over 10 multiplies 20 to give us 98. Once again, 10 goes here twice. 2 times 2 times 49, that is 98. And then we'll have to add that to 71 over 20 by 20, that is 71. Adding the values on the numerator and also the values on the denominator, numerator becomes 143 over the denominator, which is 169. So here we have a common factor. We can simplify it further by factorization. So 143 and 169, the common factor is 13. So 13 goes here 11 times. 13 goes into 169 13 times. And therefore, the expression evaluated should give us 11 over 13. And with that, we mark the end of the solution to this problem. I want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.